Hi guys, it's almost 11 o'clock na sa gabi, but it's okay. I have to enjoy this few. Actually, it's one night na lang kay it's work mode na gid siya, and sus pilaray paglabay sa summer in town. Klase na gud, balik na gyud. So ang klase sa mga estudyante is in a few days, and if you have children who are going to school, hinahinayan na sila transition para sleep on time, para maka-wake up on time, kay aron dili ma-late sa bus or dili ma-late ini ato sa school, kay kung late ra ba kay stricto ra ba ang eskwelahan sa mga late policy. Okay, so make sure nga ang mga bata, they will be able to be excited going back to school, kay murag taog gitong bakasyon. See you later guys.